Hello everyone, welcome to Lisa Horton Crafts. My name is Natalia. Today I will show you how I've created a triple slider card which is featured in Box Kit magazine 4. So here I've cut out some of the papers for this project and you can see the measurements in the corner. So I'm scoring the large piece of card at 9 centimeters and 18 centimeters. And here I'm scoring the medium size pink color card, 8.5 centimeters and 17 centimeters. So here I'm just cutting a little bit edge of this card at the right side from inside, that it will be easier to fold. So I'm folding the cards and creasing. And doing the same for the larger size pink color card. So here I'm using a ruler, and on the right side of the card I'm measuring 2 centimeters on both sides, and at the bottom I'm measuring 1 centimeter, and at the top I will be measuring 1.5 centimeter. I'm drawing a line. This is where I will create slits by cutting those lines. And I'm doing the same for the larger size card. So I'm measuring 1.5 at the top to 1 centimeter to the bottom. Now I'm using a craft knife, so I'm making slits. Using also trimmer, or you can use your craft knife. I'm finding it's easier to use the trimmer, so I'm positioning at 2 centimeters, as you can see, and cutting all the way down to 1 centimeter to create a slit. And here I'm doing the same for the medium size card. Here I'm just adding the strips of card to the slits, and I'm folding, and I'm trying to fold a bit loosely and not too tight, so it will be easier to move the strip. And I'm doing the same for the larger size card. I'm adding the strip to the inside of in between slits, and I'm folding. Here I'm using scissors just to cut this bit strip away because it's a bit too long. And I'm securing those strips with the sticky tape. I'm securing those strips and checking they move. Here I'm just cutting a little bit longer the slits to make all even. So here are the topper, the small size pink color card which will go inside. And here I'm choosing some of the toppers to use for the second slider, and I'm using sentiments. So I'm positioning this stamp to the white topper, and here I'm just adding just to see if the sentiment will be visible when you open the card. I'm using the stamping platform and I'm stamping this sentiment using 2 different color inks. Using a pink color with Versa Magic ink. Is a pigment ink, so I'm drying with the heat gun. And here I'm stamping with black ink. I'm punching a little circle which measuring around 2 centimeters. You also can use dye. So I'm folding this circle in half to create a little holder for the top to open the card. I'm adding glue to the back, and I'm adding to the center of pink card, small size, and I'm folding and securing. I'm adding the white topper to the pink color card, and now I will add this topper to the medium size card. So I'm pushing this strip all the way down, and I'm adhering, as you can see, leveling up the edge of the card with the medium size color card. Here is my strip is not level, so I'm just cutting a little bit. So now I'm just positioning this card to the center of this card, medium color card. So I'm adding the glue to the strip. And now by holding the card, I'm folding, just trying to be sure the cards, the edges are all level. Here is the sentiment inside. So here I'm adding the glue to the side, on the right on the edge, and I'm closing and gluing, securing together. So this is medium color size. Now I will decorate this card with the toppers from the Box Kit magazine, and I'm adhering to the white card to create a frame. And now we'll adhere the topper to the medium size card. I'm gluing the topper to the card. So open the large color card, and here I'm positioning the medium size color card, and here I'm gonna add white glue to the strip only. And now I will position this card, and be sure the strip is all the way down when you're positioning. Here I'm just decorating the front of this card, and I've chosen the floral pattern paper, and I'm adding a layering with the white card, and I'm adhering this pattern paper to the front. So here now I will add glue to this side, and I'm closing. So now I will use little decorated circles from ornamental circle die set and ornamental oval die set. and I've cut out in white and in pink. So here I'm positioning the stamp to the circle, and now I will stamp the sentiment, and I'm stamping the sentiment with Versa Fine Clair Nocturne Black ink. And as you can see, now I'm positioning the magnets all the way around, so it will be easier for me to stamp. Stamp sentiment. So now I will matte and layer sentiment with the pink color circle, and I will adhere with the 3D foam pads to the front of the card. Here I've die cut some florals, and I'm adding pink color ink to the flowers. Before gluing the flowers to the front, I'm just layering them first and then gluing them to the card. Some of the flowers I'm adhering with 3D foam pads. Here also I'm adding some dewdrops to the center of the flowers to decorate. Also, this project you can use for inside some photos of your family or friends. I hope you can create this project and you can share with us on the Lisa Horton Crafts group on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.